Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread like the outdoor boys. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. For the liquid, grab 1.5 cups of warm water, ensuring it's between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, a Dutch oven or a heavy pot with a lid will be key for that perfect crust. Let's get baking. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your flour, salt, and yeast. Gradually pour in the warm water, mixing with a spoon or your hands until a shaggy, sticky dough forms. Remember, we're not kneading here, just combining. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a damp cloth. Let it rest at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours, allowing the magic to happen. After its long rest, your dough should be bubbly and active. Lightly flour your work surface and gently scrape the dough out, being careful not to deflate it. Now, gently fold the edges of the dough towards the center, forming a round loaf. This creates tension on the surface, which is crucial for a good rise. Place your shaped dough into a floured proofing basket or a bowl lined with parchment paper for a final 30-minute rest. It's time for the grand finale. Preheat your Dutch oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes. Carefully transfer your dough into the scorching hot pot. Bake with the lid on for 30 minutes to trap steam, creating that amazing crust. Then, remove the lid and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes until your loaf is beautifully golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.